Hello everyone. Let's dive into the universal wired microwave motion sensor detector. This sleek, black sensor from Genera promises to bring a new level of convenience to automatic door systems. Designed to operate on a 12-24V corded electric power source, it's built for reliable performance. The key feature here is its microwave motion detection technology. Operating at 24.125 GHz, this sensor emits microwaves and analyzes their reflections to detect movement. This approach offers a significant advantage over traditional infrared sensors, as it's less susceptible to environmental factors like temperature changes or sunlight. The specified maximum range is 3 meters, which should be adequate for most doorway applications. Installation seems straightforward, thanks to its universal wire design. It should integrate seamlessly with a variety of automatic door systems. The black color gives it a discreet look that blends well with most surroundings. In practical use, the microwave technology shines. It accurately detects approaching individuals, triggering the automatic door smoothly and efficiently. The 3-meter range provides ample time for the door to open before someone reaches it, preventing any awkward pauses. False triggers are minimal, a testament to the sensor's ability to differentiate between actual movement and background noise. However, it's important to consider the potential drawbacks. Microwave sensors can be affected by certain materials, such as metal, which might reduce their detection range or create blind spots. Careful placement is crucial to ensure optimal performance. Also, while the wire design ensures a stable power supply, it does require running cables, which might not be ideal for all installations. Overall, the universal wired microwave motion sensor detector is a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their automatic door system. Its microwave technology offers reliable and accurate motion detection, while its universal design ensures compatibility with a wide range of doors. Just be mindful of potential interference from metal objects and plan your installation accordingly.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.